Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Jeevaniya. Today we will learn about Janki Prasad ji's Banaras Gharana.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Guru Ustad Ashik Hussain. Ustad Ashik Hussain was born in 1895. His original name was Bhure Kha and Jyoti Prasad. Janki Prasad ji's grandson Pandit Gopal ji had no child for many years. Pandit Gopal ji was court dancer at Patiala Court. He performed at various stages in Lahore and gathered a lot of appreciation for his performances. He guided number of students. One day, Rajasthan's famous Sarangi player means Bhure Kha's father asked Gopal ji for Bhure Kha's Kathak education. Bhure Kha started his Kathak education under the guidance of Pandit Gopal ji. Gopal ji was impressed on Bhure Kha's hard work and decided to adopt him. Gopal ji adopted him and named him as Jyoti Prasad and also trained him properly. Bhure Kha means Jyoti Prasad practiced for Tatkar many hours. Gopal ji used to move roller under his feet to see whether he is dancing neatly. Jyoti Prasad performed at various stages along with Gopal ji, like Bundi, Baroda, Surat, and one day he performed at Mumbai and was entitled as Nritya Samrat. By seeing his dance, some ladies in the audience impressed on him and asked him to teach Kathak to them. Jyoti Prasad was very handsome. One day, producer Sri Wadia saw him and offered him to work in his film. Due to his attractive personality, Wadia ji entitled him as Ustad Ashik Hussain. He played lead roles in about 22 films. Along with films, he continued his dance practice too. He trained many students. Pandit Gopal ji was at Lahore on that time. Ustad Ashik Hussain ji used to travel to Lahore to meet Gopal ji by train. During the journey, whenever Mathura station would come, he used to remove his shoes. One day, a person asked him about the same. That time he replied, "Though I am a Muslim, I am devotee of Lord Krishna, and Krishna is not only my source of income but also my devotion. This is my Guru's teaching." After some years, Gopal ji blessed with a son Maharaj Krishna Kumar, but Gopal ji died in 1929 when Krishna Kumar was only 1.5 years old. Thereafter, Ustad Ashik Hussain ji nurtured him and taught him Kathak. Ashik Hussain used to perform only on Radha Krishna stutis. He was a great devotee of Lord Krishna. Such a great artist died in The year 1950. Guru Maharaj Krishna Kumarji. Maharaj Krishna Kumarji was born on 11th February 1928. When he was only 1.5 years old, his father Gopalji left the world. Krishna Kumarji started his Kathak education under the guidance of his father's student Srimati Hirabaiji. At the age of 8 years, he learned Kathak from his uncle Hanuman Prasadji for small period and also learned from Uncle Mohan Lalji at Dehradun. After that, his mother went to Mumbai along with Krishna Kumarji at adopted son Ashik Hussein's home. Mother told Ashikji to teach Mr. Krishna Kumarji, and Krishna Kumarji completed his Kathak education under the guidance of Ashik Husseinji in 7 years. After few years, Krishna Kumarji performed at various stages in and outside the country and gathered a lot of appreciation for his performances. He directed several dance dramas and performed lead roles too. Krishna Kumarji was also very handsome. He had an attractive personality. He performed for many years along with Pandit Shambhu Maharaj Ji in their dance dramas. He choreographed for number of films and performed in them. He was invited for choreography from various places. When Doordarshan channel was started, Krishna Kumarji also performed at there and presented his historical stories through his dance dramas. He was awarded for his dance dramas like Mitti Ki Gudiya, Taj Ki Kahani, etc. He was felicitated with Rajasthani Natraj, Nritya Shiromani, Rajasthan Ratna, Ustad Chand Kha Puraskar, Sursingar Sansad's Sharangdhar Fellowship, Sangeet Natak Akademi's Fellowship. He was awarded with Padma Shri Award by Government of India. He nurtured number of students. Such a great artist died on 23rd December 1992. Guru Ashok Kumarji. Krishna Kumarji's elder son Ashok Kumarji was born on 2nd October 1956 at Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. When he was born, Krishna Kumarji was performing at Akhil Bharatiya Sangeet Sammelan, Kolkata. Krishna Kumarji was entitled as Rajasthani Natraj at that time. Ashok Kumarji enjoyed his childhood at Karol Bagh, New Delhi. At the age of 5 years, Krishna Kumarji admitted him at Bal Bharati Public School, Rajendra Nagar. But in 8th standard, he left from school because of love for Kathak and performed at various stages along with father. He played lead roles in all dance dramas which were composed and choreographed by Krishna Kumarji except the drama Nawab Wajid Ali Shah. He worked as co-director along with his father for several films like Yash Chopra's film Noori, Sridharji's Dile Nadan, Raj Kapoor's film Prem Rog, Pandit Ram Kumarji's film Chang, Pyar Ka Sawan, etc. and also performed in film Noori and Dile Nadan. After Krishna Kumarji's death, the Kathak lovers called Ashokji as Ashok Krishna Kumar. Ashokji left Delhi and shifted in Mumbai, and he guided several students till today. Guru Pandit Hazari Lalji. Pandit Hazari Lalji completed his Kathak education under the guidance of Guru Ustad Ashik Husseinji. He started his own Kathak institute, Natwari Dance Academy at Mumbai and nurtured number of students. The institute has been named after the famous Natwari bowls composed by Pandit Janki Prasad Ji, which are distinct from those used by other schools of Kathak. This style is known for its precision, grace, and unique postures. He also guided several students at Pune, Satara, Kolhapur, Mumbai, like Rohini Wagleji, Sujata Mehtaji, Sanyukta Panigrahiji, Balasaheb Gokhleji from Pune, and also nurtured to several film actresses like Usha Kiranji, Geeta Baliji, Nigar Sultanaji, etc. He had a special mastery over laikari and variation in thoughts. For many years, Hazari Lalji was the head of the Kathak section at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan and taught there till he breathed his last. This great artist died in 1992. Guru Sunaina Hazari Lalji. Sunaina ji was born on 28th July 1940 at Mumbai. Her father was a railway officer. She completed her Kathak education under the guidance of Guru and husband Pandit Hazari Lalji. She performed at various stages all over India and abroad, and also nurtured number of students by arranging workshops. She has wrote several articles on Janki Prasadji's Banaras Gharana. She is the head of the Kathak section at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Sangeet and Nartan Shikshapit, Mumbai. She is felicitated with Padma Shri Award, Sangeet Natak Akademi Award, Sur Singar Sansad, Shringar Mani Award, Abhinay Kala Saraswati Award, Maharashtra Gaurav Award, Prachin Kala Kendra's Nritya Sharada Award. She is also the Doordarshan top rank artist. Guru Shri Balasaheb Gokhleji. Balasaheb Gokhleji was born in Pune. He completed his Kathak education under the guidance of Guru Pandit Hazari Lalji. He was also a good harmonium player. He choreographed for several Marathi films like Sangte Aika, Avghachi Sansar, Jagacha Pathivar, etc. He also choreographed for famous drama Kalidas. He guided and taught number of students of film industry like Hansa Vadkarji, Asha Kaleji, Sanjivani Bidkarji, Leela Gandhiji, Usha Chavanji and Jeevan Kalaji, etc. Srimati Pandita Guru Manisha Satheji and Jayashri Jangamji from Pune are also senior disciples of Balasahebji. He had a special mastery over English language. His elder sister's husband died at an early age, so Balasahebji looked after her two children and remained unmarried. This great artist died on 21st February 1982. Okay friends, we will meet again on next Thursday. Thank you.